Hello, my name is Max. This is No Code Nerd. Octoparse is what we're talking about today. Octoparse is a very, very cool tool. Octoparse is easy web scraping for anybody. And I've shown you a couple of, if you've watched some of my previous videos, I've shown you a couple of no-code tools to help you web scrape. Octoparse seems to go a little bit further. So you can give it like a series of URLs. You can have it do like schedule scraping, which is really, really awesome. I really like that. IP rotation is extra sexy, so it prevents your IP from being blocked if you really go hard on web scraping. But it lets you point and click, simple, just addition and subtraction, easy. Click on what you want to scrape from certain websites, plug it into Octoparse, and it'll download all the information for you. If you don't know what web scraping is, that's all it is. You just go into a website and you can pull information just like that. So it's a beautiful, wonderful tool. It seems to go a bit further than most other web scraper no-code tools, because I think it can go inside of pages or deal with multiple websites a lot easier. It's very, very cool. So if you need to web scrape something, go and check it out. And if you need other tools in this kind of space, hit me up in the comments. I would love to give you more tools like this because I use a couple of other ones. Awesome. Web scraping. Yeehaw. See you in the next episode.